totally in character while I'm eating the pizza. And we might.
I'm gonna be fawning a little bit.
Yeah, we might include this like in a. Blueberry, I'll scoot over a little bit. I'm gonna start so we can like actually.
Hey. Yeah. How was it?
Good.
Good. Still good?
Yeah.
Good. I like pizza.
Not bad.
It's very good. One of my favorite foods. It's good. It's good. Why didn't I get a slice?
I don't know, man.
Okay.
You should have had one.
Whoa there, man. Keep eating.
Yeah.
Is it good? Perfecto. Perfecto, that's
right.
what they say.
All right. I'm gonna shut up for this next part.
Okay.
This is it.
All right.
All right.
Whoa there, champ. Not gonna eat your crust?
Nah, I was thinking about throwing it out.
Do you know what we could do with this?
Put it in the scrapbook! Great.
Watching that and imagining that it would have gone the exact same way had I not even been here. Like, I just imagined that the camera wasn't here.